Hey guys, I just wanted to go over number 10 from your exit slip from last week. It's kind of an important concept that's really quick to understand, hopefully, but without our chance to participate in class and talk about it, it's maybe not easily grasped from all the videos. So the two data sets below, I took away the second data set since we're not using it, is a random sample of the management salaries at two companies. Based on the salaries below, which measure of central tendency will be the most accurate representation or estimation? So I want you to think about this in terms of if you were applying for a job at this company and what your question to them was, well, what is the normal salary? Which would be the best representation. So what I've done is I have added together all of the salaries in the calculator to the left over here. So I went ahead and just added them together. So their sum came to 2,604,500. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 scores there, or salaries there. Divide by 7. So it's about 372,070. We'll just say $71. We won't worry about the pennies or the change. So that's the mean salary. So whoever's interviewing you could be like, this is a great company to work for. You can make $370,000 on average. That is what our employees make. Well, if you had done the median, let's see, I'm going to put them in order from least to greatest. This is the first. 211 is second, 242, 4, 5, 6, 7. So when there's an odd number of pieces of data, that means there's going to be one number in the middle. When there's 7 pieces of data, the middle number will be 4 because there'd be 3 below and 3 above. So the median is 265,000. That's your median. These are both measures of central tendency. Which one most accurately describes the data? And if you're interviewing and they tell you the average person makes $372, technically they're not lying. $372,000 is made as the mean, but how many people are actually making that much or more? And it's just one, and that person's probably the CEO for all we know. So anytime that there's an outlier in your set of data, the median is going to be the measure of central tendency that most accurately describes the data.